This is code for exam 676 problem C, and this is the very nice program. I really appreciate this because if you take a first look, then it seems that it is very hard problem, but it is very simple. Few 3 to 4 line code, very simple problem. Okay, what is given in this problem? Like we have a string like A, B, C, D. We have a string. Now we have to make it palindrome. Okay, sorry, we have to make it palindrome. So we can do two operation. We can do first operation and second operation. So first operation, what first operation can see that we take any I, that I can be this first and that guy and would be n. We take any I and from that I to 2 n my 4 or 2. Like if you take if a string like a little big string A B C D E F. Okay, if you take the I is equal to 5, like this is 1 2 3, this is 4 5 and this is 6. Okay, I is equal to 5, then take the string to n to 2 from I to 2 and reverse it and put it before this, so the resulting will be E D C and B. Similarly, first setting second option as second option is saying that choose any I, like if I choose now this become 4 or 3 6, this like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this becomes 7. If you choose I is equal to 7, then from this to n minus 1 take this string and reverse it and place at the end. Okay, the resulting will be E C D C. Now we have to do these operation and make the string wait, but make the string palindrome. Okay, now a simple answer, like okay this will be uh, okay. So what is the concept idea behind this? The idea is that if we have a string like A B C D E F, if we have the string like this, so what we have to do, we take n minus 1 and apply second operation. So our output will be in this language r, like number of this first this the number of operation we have to do like k, and then l or l defines the second operation, r defines first operation on I. So we have to do second operation on this I and first operation in this I. Okay, so what you have to do is like we have to make it palindrome. So what do you do, just we have to write this one n minus 1, so the resultant will be this, and then we just first operation on I on n on this one, on this string. Okay, n minus 1, so the resultant will be B C D E F now, and then at last three operation can be needed and the L is equal to 2, then answer will be this and this will be our palindrome. So what we will do is that when I am thinking like A B C D, so if I am just applying any operation like on CD, then result will be BC. So all is palindrome, so one term is missed like last one. So for last one, we firstly take a palindrome at L is equal to n minus 2, then the last will come out. Okay, and then we and this last, so we have a problem with last because we cannot palindrome, we cannot rotate last term, then last will become n minus 1. Okay, when we palindrome up to from this left term, so this all will be a string and this all will be this, and we take and the last number will become and this second number. Okay, let to the solution of very simple solution of this is very nice problem, tricky problem. So we are only three liner solution. Okay, so if it is palindrome, not palindrome, or any string, we can apply only three string. If you can only transform, like if it is already palindrome, so like if you use if loop, If already palindrome, we are just not doing this. So what do I do? I'm just taking okay, okay, I'm just taking L is equal to length of the string, and all I have to perform three operations. So first operation is I have a string. So this is the first, second, this is L, this is L, this is first. So this is L minus 1. So what I have to take? I have to take right operation, second operation on L minus 1. So L minus 1, this, so L minus second operation, so this will become this. This is our first case, first. And then I will take L operation, uh, first operation on L. L will be this one, or we can say the resulting string after first operation will take the L minus 1. So I will take L this. So all this string will be palindrome. So this completely string will be palindrome. So we have to need this last element, and this last element is second one. So we have to take it from left element, second, first operation, second element. This will be the answer. Thank you.